Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. We have to do something with this head, so I'm about to show you guys a quick and easy way you can go from this to something a little more cute. You can even see peace. With all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be. There's nothing easier than throwing on a headband wig. You literally don't have to do anything to your hair but put the headband wig on and go about your day. So this one is a water wave headband wig from Nadula hair, and I've never had a headband wig with like a lace headband, so I'm pretty excited to try this one on. What I am going to do is put a wig cap on. I'm going to add a little bit of hair serum first to tame the front of my hair. Like so. And I'm just going to put my wig cap on, flip my hair up. This might be a for real 5-minute hairstyle. And our half wig has combs. All we have to do is put this on. That already looks good. I'm gonna make sure I stick the combs in my hair so the wig doesn't shift all over the place. There's also a drawstring if you want some extra protection. Pull the drawstring, tuck it. This is this is the look. This is the look. And again, this is a water wave wig. Here is the length on me. Nice and long, nice and full. This is freshly washed and air dried. This is what the curls look like. Really cute and fluffy. You can literally do so much with this. I had to kind of like brighten the light because I feel like the hair is so dark you can barely see it. But like I was saying, I'm just going to go in and kind of use my curling iron to just add a few more curls to the top. Kind of like that. If you didn't really feel like doing your hair, no need. You can just throw on a half wig. These wigs are such lifesavers. And then the ones with the headband are even better because you really don't have to blend your hair at all. You can just put the wig on, fix up your edges, and call it a day. Like, look at that. So good. With the little edges that I do have poking out, I'm just going to go in with a little bit of edge control and kind of tame, just to give it a little something. You literally don't even have to do much. Just something for the edges, and then sideburns. Why not? This is just so stinking cute. They also sent a bunch of other headbands, so you're not just limited to this one that's attached. You can put any headband you want on. Since I'm wearing like orange and black, I'm gonna just put on this black headband if you weren't a fan of the lace. I'm gonna fold this over and then I'm gonna put this one like so. Totally cute. And then with your natural edges out, it literally looks like your hair. Looks like your own hair. If you're going for the half up, half down look, you just want to section off some of your hair. Kind of see. I like for my ponytails to be like more on top of my head, so I'm gonna take my ponytail holder. Okay. I have to look in the mirror. Literally like this. So cute. So cute. This is what this looks like. So yeah, if you're interested in this wig from Nadula Hair, I will list all of their info in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link to this unit that I am wearing. So gorgeous. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.